Hi, Kerry here from My Cloud Bookkeeping. I work with small businesses and entrepreneurs to help them manage their business finances in QuickBooks Online. If you're not sure if you're using the best plan for your business, check out my plan comparison below and be sure to watch right to the end for useful tips for your business. I recently prepared a video walking through the new invoice format. It's up there. And one of the comments I received was that I didn't explore the custom fields because I knew they didn't work. That was actually not the case. I was not aware they were not working, but they are now. So here's a video to walk through creating custom fields and adding them to your invoice.
So here we are in the sample company. When I'm creating an invoice, unless I'm already in the sales section, I tend to just pop up here and say new invoice. This file is opened up into the new invoice format, which I'm imagining most of you are seeing right now. And where I'm going to go to is on the right hand side here under Manage, Customizations, and where are they down here? The custom fields. We're going to manage custom fields. We obviously don't have any set up in here yet, so I'm going to click Add a Custom Field. And the first thing I'm going to add is salesperson, if I could spell, salesperson. And let's just say we're going to put this salesperson on all sales forms and print it. So we'll click Save. So now you can see we have a custom field for salesperson, and it's going to show up on the actual print enabled. I'll show you what that means in a moment for each of these documents. So now we're going to add another one. Perhaps we want to be able to see who referred this particular customer. So we'll put referred by, and we're going to pop it onto all sales forms, save it, but we don't want this to print on any of our documents. Now, I was expecting to be able to determine which of these forms it went on, and I'm quite surprised that I can't. Perhaps when I was testing this earlier, I was in a different version of QuickBooks. So on some of the versions, you do get to select which of these documents it goes on, and obviously not in this plan. So if you're looking at your version and you can not have it on a refund receipt or an estimate, for example, then that's great. That's an extra option, but clearly in here, that's not how it works. Anyway, so now let's pop back to our invoice. So I'm going to pop to here, go new invoice. And now we can see we have a field to put a salesperson and referred by. The referred by shows up as hidden, so that won't show on the invoice. However, the salesperson will show up when we create an invoice and print it for our customer.
Hopefully that helps you to understand how to add custom fields to your invoice in the new format. If you have any other questions about the new invoice format, check out the older video or ask me a question below. It's important for your cash flow that you keep on top of the invoices after you've sent them. Automated reminders can help with that. I have a video for setting those up. And also check out my cash flow tips. There's a download below, and hopefully that will help you keep your business on track. So be sure to subscribe. I'm going to be posting a lot more videos about the recent changes and some of the features of the advanced plan. Cheers.